Lion WW652 Washer Fluid Concentrate is an all-season cleaning and protection formula that removes road grime and bug splatter. It also helps prevent windshield washer freeze-ups. First, remove the washer filler cap and insert funnel to avoid spilling. Next, review the mixing chart on the back of the bottle to determine the water to solvent mixture needed for local temperatures. After determining the mixture, pour the fluids together, then pour into vehicle. Finally, replace filler cap. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.